Hey, man.
Give it up for Paul. All right, so I'm going to start and then let Paul take over. It's been probably 2.5 years putting this thing together, and it has smurfed into many different facets. And I can tell you, I've never seen the whole bike together at any one time until right now. We've been through a lot of turmoil trying to figure out how to fucking make it work. I mean, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just the goddamn tires on this thing took 9 months.
So, I mean, originally, again, we just started talking, and we wanted to do a bike, but he kind of threw me off because this bike has a 360 tire on it and has a 21 5.5 on the front, which kind of went out a little bit. You know, we were not doing those bikes. We stopped doing those bikes some years back. Some of the difficulties were we had to paint this bike 3 times. It wasn't a direction that I would have went in, but I'm glad that he went in that direction because the bike's different, and I don't think you're going to see very many bikes like this bike. So you want to unveil and then talk about them?
Yes.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Ready? Woo! Absolutely. Yeah.
Hey, UFC fans, I got something for you. I teamed up with DraftKings Sportsbook. UFC 316 is coming up, and that's going to be a night that you don't want to miss. The biggest names and the toughest battles. Everything is on the line inside the octagon. Get in on the action with my partners, DraftKings Sportsbook. Right now, customers can bet just $5. And if your bet wins, you will take home $300 in bonus bets. From explosive knockouts to title fight drama. It's all happening at UFC 316. Download the DraftKings Sportsbook app and sign up using my promo code Paul Senior. The crown is yours. Hey, everybody out there in YouTube land. I don't know, I think that's fun. This project here is a project that I started a while ago for the owner of Harley-Davidson, Bert's Barracuda, which is right next door to us. The tires all mounted. We got the webs that we made. So what we're going to try and do is get the whole roller together today. Stop on that. Just finished doing the spider bike. It's done, it's here. Bert's excited about it, and I'm excited about it too. I think it's gonna be a pretty big hit.
Wow. Come on, let's go do this. Let's go unveil this thing.
Look at that. Yeah.
Whoa! Yeah. Holy shit. I love it. I love it.
So this bike, this bike wasn't like, I know on TV we did the Black Widow. This bike represents more of your store.
Yes.
And, you know, we don't have webs all over the place, but I think, you know, just from being a Black Widow bike, it needed some webs on it. But the paint job has like a history. Where did my man go?
So it's the Black Widow after she kills her mate. So the storyline in each one of the panels is a female.
And you'd have to see the
down,
murals too.
And she gets bit by the spider, and then she eventually becomes the Black Widow, mates, which isn't a picture, and then kills the king. So that's the storyline on it. So it's more about the actual Black Widow, the spider representing Bert's, and then the storyline.
Anybody that has a woman out there knows what we're talking about. She's gonna love you and then eat you up, okay? And that's what this bike's called, the WidowMaker, right here, okay?
So also, you know, I got the bike wasn't just done by me. I had a lot of help, especially this week. Bill, the mechanic, Bert's mechanic, and my friend, and Jim. I had to go to New York this week for 3 or 4 days. So these guys, almost like the TV show, you know, it was kind of like right down to the wire. So I need to thank them. I need to thank Bert for having faith in me.
So I gotta tell you something. I cannot thank Harley-Davidson enough.
That's right.
Because they gave us this motor. And this is the first time Paul's ever had a Harley 131 done in a bike. And that goes a long way in my book because that's their way of supporting not only me and the dealer as a group, but more importantly, Paul, because I think the world of Paul, you know. But for them to donate a 131 was just unbelievable. Crate motor, it was unbelievable. So
in actuality, they donated two. So the other, we're doing one more bike,
right?
Which is coming along a lot quicker. Sometimes when you threaten people, it seems to speed it up a little bit. Yeah. But so it ran, and then I think there's something.
I screwed up the cable.
Billy to start it? He said idle.
Can you start it, Billy?
Come on, yeah.
Let's see if you can start it up. Start it up. I fucked it up. I'm sorry. Bravo!
Yeah, buddy.
Thank you, Paul.
Thank you, brother.